In this video, we'll explore tags, a powerful way to label and organize your test assets across SmartestQA. Tags can be applied to test cases, actions, pipelines, and tasks. Start by opening a test case in the Automate section and clicking the tag icon. You'll see a list of color-coded tags. Select one to apply it, or click Add New Tag to create a custom tag with a name and color of your choice. Tags work the same way across the platform. In the Schedule section, add tags to pipelines and use Filter by Tags to quickly find specific ones. In the Report section, open any report and assign tags to categorize it. In the Action section, open any action and assign tags to categorize it. And in Tasks, you can tag issues from the Edit Task dialog too. By tagging consistently, your team can filter and organize everything, making it easy to manage large projects by sprint, feature, or any label you need. SmartestQA. Make test automation easy and scale your projects faster.